Yeah, he went to Gordy. Maybe you should go to Fort Record. I don't have anything right now. I'm gonna sneeze, guys. Sorry. Yeah, present my badge. Let's present my badge. Bless you. Sorry, it's really loud. No. I wish I have a cuter sneeze like. Achoo. I know. I sneeze like your parents, like your dad sometimes. Like how some. I don't know if you guys have the same dads, but it's like you're in the third floor and your dad is on the first floor and you could still hear him sneeze. The dad sneeze, yeah.